Right, you guys, so pretty much at the bottom end of the caravan site, you'll just sort of see the caravans through the trees there, and that way is down to the river. But at the moment, we're just picking up some sticks for our campfire. Look at this, what I found, these really, really dry pieces. And I'm going to try and fill up that bag there, from what I can sort of find along the edge of the road for this campfire. So let's see. And really what we're looking for, you guys, is this really dry wood, you know. I need to get bigger pieces as well. So have a good look around and see what we can find. Right, so there we go, you guys. And that might look like a lot of old branches and stuff like that, but let me tell you, we could burn through that in about 10 or 15 minutes, you know that. So I'm going to just try and snap them up into bite-sized pieces and get them into the bag. Right, so we've got little Miss M's on campfire duty here. I'll jump in as well. And what are you doing, Emily? Small sticks first?
Yeah. Mum just got some more.
Has Mum just got some more? Let me get some of these for you as well.
Oh, hell.
Yeah, you get all the little ones, and Emily can crop them all up.
Love the old man's beard on that face.
Oh. So we crisscross, don't we? That's the way we build fire.
Emma?
Crisscross.
Old man's bird.
Loads of little bottom bits, don't we? Just to start us off.
Okay. I got a whole lot.
Just that way. Now what we'll do is Dad will start building that round the fire like this, look you guys.
Because that was my idea, to like make it a little high and then go round.
That's right. Now we've got plenty more, haven't we?
Old man's beard.
Old man's
This
beard.
is old man's beard.
Yeah.
Get that.
And it works brilliant, doesn't it, on fires?
We should put
Like
old
this,
man's beard around the side.
Yeah, you can. Like that, right?
Oh, we're toasty.
Now we are going to cheat tonight, aren't we? We are using lighter fluid and paper. But if you're in a survival situation, old man's beard is the best, isn't it? The best tinder that you can get a hold
It's like green or like this stuff. So it's this or that.
Yeah, that's
Any kind.
that's basically it, isn't it?
Yeah, that's only old man's beard.
Right, so now we've got plenty extra wood, haven't we? Look. So what do you guys think? Is that enough just now?
Oh!
Emily? Is that enough just now?
I found a little black slug.
You found a little black slug. Is that what's...
Can we color?
Right, listen you guys, here we go. You ready?
Go.
Oh, Mummy, can you get that hand top out for me, please?
Can we poke it to
Can we
death?
get any nails?
Let's poke it to death.
Let's get some old man's beard in there, you guys. Look.
Pokey.
Got it?
Pokey.
Just needed
Pokey.
some nails. Right, guys, listen, you ready?
I'm going to throw this wax rug in the water.
Right, we've cheated, haven't we? We've cheated.
Wait, Dad, when I throw the wax rug in the water,
There we go, that was a beauty. This is going to be an ace fire. Watch out, David.
Don't poke us with the big stick yet.
I got my fork. I got my fork. Kill.
No, wait, just wait a wee minute till the smoke dies down.
That's our now getting. There we go. So you getting your marshmallows ready?
Yeah.
We'll get it just started off and then we will go onto the mobile camera.
Mom. Am I not yet?
You can get one ready on your fork.
I want a pea.
A bit hot. Getting now.
White and pink. And I have a white and a pink. I'm having a white for my first. I'm having a white and a pink.
Oh, that is nice.
Guys,
What?
this is what a marshmallow looks like.
Hey.
And pink.
Come on, let's see your one. Look at the size of this. Right, let's go mobile, you guys.
Guys, I added a pink on top.
You
I
did.
have a pink and a white.
Yeah. Now that's the fire rocking and rolling. And we're just going to wait till it dies down a little bit, the way.
Why don't we put it on?
So there you are, you guys. Look at this. This is where we're at.
Wait, why
You'll have seen this part of the river in the fishing videos.
the
That is really weird. Within the space of 10 minutes, it's happened again. Look. It came right up into here and now it's away back out again. How cool is that? Maybe we've got a bit of rain up in the mountains, eh? There's my wife, look, and we've got the two guys ready to rock when this gets to where it should be. Let me see. Oh yes. The smell even better once from the fire, eh? So plenty of wood still there. We're going to stack it all up and organise ourselves a little bit. Ah, is that nice?
Dad, can we cook this?
We'll put that in the fire as well in a wee while. Not just now. I'll snap it up. So that's the fire down a little bit, isn't it, you guys? Like, oh, David's getting it. Oh, and
Mama.
Emily is eating already. Yummy, baby.
Mummy's going to eat this in.
I'm gonna make this a
It'll be a little bit hot.
Go for it, mummy. Emily's just getting that.
little more hot.
Nummies.
I'm gonna make mine a little crispy.
You're going to make it really crispy. Go on then.
That was
I'll get a bit closer.
Oh.
Oh, that is lovely and hot, you guys. Right, I'm going to put on some more wood, I think. That's what I'm going to do. What are you going to do?
Decided to throw a marshmallow
Go on then.
or some peels.
No, missed it. Watch yourself. Take your time.
Let's see if I can bounce this on.
Go on then, if you must. You're a boy, aren't you? But that fire is going lovely, you guys. The flames are just about taller than you, darling. Look at it. Just about taller than you. So let's wait till it dies down again. Eh?
I'm getting another I'm getting more marshmallows.
Are you? Because I wouldn't mind another one, because that was pretty good.
Dad, do you want me to give you another?
Oh, please, darling, yeah.
I'm gonna do it two this time.
There's another fish
And you
jumping.
like it
Oh my
crispy,
goodness,
don't you?
they're all over the place. Yeah, crispy.
Dad likes it crispy.
Crispy and cooled down. That's it.
Oh, barely get to it.
Just wait till it gets down, yeah. It's a bit high just now.
It's my height.
Let's
My
see, we got a lovely wee shot here. There we go. And that's where we're at, isn't it, you guys?
Mm-hmm.
Just lovely down here. Mega Kids Campfire. Hey, I mean, how many...
Mega campfire.
Mega Campfire. For the Mega Kids. So you're going to see... Oh no, you can't do mine yet. Look, it's still high, isn't it? It's down a bit now though, look. It's not quite as high as Emily. That's it. Just watch it. Just yeah. It is pretty hot, you guys. David, go round to where the bag is. Because the wind's changed direction yet again. It's blowing in my direction now. Ah.
Now it's going in direction.
Yeah. I think let it burn down a bit, you guys. Just let it burn down a little bit. Because I'm wanting a marshmallow. Right, young David is going to put the fire out here, aren't you, son?
I need to place some rocks
What for?
to get the water.
Here he goes. I see us thinking. I see you. That'll do. Just take a bit at a time if you like, son. No, he's going for it. That's it. Yay. Just go for it, son. Right, this is going to go. Psst, watch out. Wow. There you go. Do we get some more? Oh, Daddy's one's there. Look, honey. See on top of the camel bag. That's it, darling. You go for it with that, darling. Oh, the Mega Kids are putting the Mega Fire out. What did you say, Emily? Mega Campfire?
No.
The Mega Kids are putting out the Mega Campfire. See around the edges where all the white is, you guys? That's when it's still hot. The white bits. Yeah, baby.
Get all the white away.
Like it.
Quick.
Emily's got some. Whoa, 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 whoa. Gentle. Careful. Don't you tripping.
And
Almost. Almost, eh, Mummy?
Yep, almost done.
Why is it we do all the work? Eh?
We'll sit and have a rest.
Ah, sit down, here we go. Good girl, Emily. Just watch, don't run towards the fire, that fire, guys. It'll still be pretty hot. Here he goes, wee droppy again. It is very shallow at the edge here. Aye. Aye, go back down to that deeper bit, son. No. We're just doing, pardon me, teacupfuls. That's that marshmallows coming back at me. Just straight out there, honey. Straight out in front of my finger. Just a slightly deeper bit. And you can fill it up. So guys, once we get them back down, we'll say goodbye. What's he got there? Oh, he's filled about half this time, haven't you? Okay, slow down coming up to the fire. Slow down.
Dad, I thought the fire was over there.
I know, it's not our biggest fire, is it?
Oh.
It did the job.
Well, let's make a
Go on then, darling. Right, guys, say goodbye to everybody since you're there, Emily.
bye.
Bye bye bye. Thanks for being here.